Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario World on your iPhone. This guide focuses on the singular, most effective method to bring this classic title to your mobile device. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your phone to launching the game, ensuring you can enjoy Super Mario World with ease. Get ready to revisit the Mushroom Kingdom on the go, experiencing every jump and power-up. First, you need to prepare your iPhone for installing applications from outside the official App Store. This involves navigating to your device's settings and enabling a specific developer option or trust setting. This crucial step allows your iPhone to recognize and install the necessary software for playing Super Mario World. Make sure your device has sufficient battery life and at least 200 megabytes of available storage before proceeding. Next, you will need to obtain the emulator application itself. This software mimics the original Super Nintendo console, allowing your iPhone to run the game. There are various ways to install these applications, often involving a process called sideloading, which bypasses the traditional App Store. Researching reputable sources for these applications is key to a smooth experience, ensuring compatibility with your iPhone's operating system. Finally, with the emulator installed, you're ready to load Super Mario World. You'll need to find the game file, often referred to as a ROM, from a reliable source. Once you have this file, transfer it into the emulator application on your iPhone. Open the emulator, select Super Mario World from your game library, and you can begin playing instantly. Enjoy revisiting this timeless classic on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.